There are things to do and places to be this weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Is there anything you want to see?
Miramare, yeah, now I want to go there, yeah.
Just to Barco, l'Alpineta. Really easy, chill. Maybe to Miramare a bit more. Yeah.
But I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably something like by the beach or I don't know.
Party. We don't know where because in Trieste there's not a lot of party life.
We've been to Barcola. We've rented a scooter and we went around. We also went to up the hill to the San Giuseppe, yeah.
How are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's very nice. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
So it's
Where are you coming from?
from Amsterdam.
We're just visiting. In the afternoon, we're going to visit the Svevo Museum.
We're actually going home tomorrow.
Oh, where are you going?
Ireland.
Have you enjoyed your stay?
Yeah, I loved it. It's been great.
Where are you going?
Austria, back home.
How long have you been here for?
I've been here just one day for holiday.
Just one day?
Yes, exactly.
Is that enough?
Not really, but no more time left for this.